Who? Have you ever wondered why going to church is so important? It's not just a Sunday routine. It's a powerful way to grow. Church is where we learn more about God's love, find guidance for our lives, and build a strong spiritual foundation, something we can even pass on to our children. It's also about community. We connect with people who share our faith, support each other through life's challenges, and celebrate together. This connection inspires us to serve others and make a positive impact in our neighborhoods. Throughout history, and even today in many places, people have risked everything, even their lives, just for the chance to gather and worship. Their incredible faith shows just how vital this gathering is. So, let's make a resolution. Let's commit to attending church regularly, not out of duty, but for the joy of growing spiritually and connecting with our community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more uplifting content.